Nowadays, the sector of manufacturing and distribution of foods is facing important obstacles affecting its productivity. Margins saw a continuous decline, competition became tougher, and both these factors combined forced all actors involved to reduce prices. Simultaneously, general costs, labor taxes, energy and transport costs continue with their exponential rise year on year. The end result is an industry starved of profits, and in turn with a greater need for material resources and cost-saving measures. On the other hand, consumers are every day increasing their demand for better quality food products at better prices. The onset of new needs are showing up in the marketplace. Consumers having health issues such as lactose intolerance, gluten allergies, lactic proteins allergy, etc., are forcing manufacturers to elaborate new foods which take into account their specific request. As we approach Southern Europe, and especially by the Mediterranean basin, consumers affected by the lactose intolerance syndrome exceed 40% of population. In this comparative graph, we can appreciate that whereas the yield of an hectare of land dedicated to breed cattle for meat is only 23 kilograms of protein, or 51 kilograms in the case of poultry or pork meat, the productivity on ply increases in the case of crops such as pulses, corn, rice, and very remarkably soya. This is an advantage that we cannot afford to lose. We have to also consider the implicit costs entailed in raising animals such as veterinarian care, medicines, transport, slaughtering, organic waste, refrigerated warehousing, and not the least, spoils due to perishability. Facing this situation, the Etoke team has developed and patented a method to produce foods with a remarkable resemblance to traditional foods counterparts, both in likeness and taste, while taking full advantage of the productivity offered by agricultural crops. The Etoke system can be used in the production of traditional foods, as well as in the development of new foods that consumers are continuously demanding. Etoke is called to revolution the industry, building a new model in the obtention of processed foods. Etoke represents the alternative that simplifies the manufacturing of processed foods, using as much as possible nutrients directly from the field to the industry and from it to the consumer. Each processed food has a specified proportion of proteins, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, and water. Taking this into consideration, Etoke defines a primary functional mix, replicating the composition of each specific food, while simplifying manufacturing and limiting or eliminating the need of animal origin ingredients. Final result is a range of functional mixes that helps to obtain foods showing similar likeness and same or improved nutritional values as requested by the customer, at a noticeably lower manufacturing cost. The flexibility in the composition of these functional mixes accommodates them to be used in the manufacture of a wide range of foods such as ice creams, yogurts, vegetable mix, custards, cottage cheese, sauces, pâtés, shakes, smoothies, green caramel, mayonnaise, tofu, spreadable chocolate creams. Possibilities are really limitless. We can summarize and conclude at this point that processed foods obtained by using the Etoke system are cheaper to produce, easier to formulate, more versatile in their composition allowing easy incorporation of any actual or new ingredient, more environmentally friendly, easily adaptable to actual manufacturing processes and existing equipment in food plants, therefore not requiring any significant investment to start production. Etoke is a real alternative for today and into the future for the food manufacturing industry.